Yo, what up? This is a how-to video with Mac.
And I'm Shak.
Yeah.
Are you guys tired of using these torches?
Well,
Wow, I didn't even.
Yeah, you don't know what you're doing. We got the G-Nail out today, and this comes with all one cord and a controller right here. Tell them about this controller, bro.
Yeah, bro, it's got a temperature control setting on it, and it also has a timer mode on it.
Yeah, so demonstrate. Timer mode, you just go up and down. It goes from 30 minutes to 45 minutes, 60 minutes, 75 minutes, and 90 minutes. You can also press the hour down, and then it goes back to 75, back to 60, back to 45, and then back to 30. After that amount of time, it will cut off for you. So if you get too high and forget, don't worry.
Generally, that takes about 9 to 13 minutes for the cooldown before you can wrap it up and put it back into your box to wrap it up and put inside something that you can bring with.
And make sure you're wrapping it up right, just like this. You want to keep it how it came originally. Train those wires and, man, dab off the e-nail instead of messing with that butane. You know, we got some nice rosin.
I almost forgot how these things worked for a second.
Yeah, we've been using this too long. Demonstration.
Make sure you guys go get you a Ganesh G-Nail. They're one of our sponsors. They sponsor a lot of our stuff, as you can see. Yeah, shout out to Ganesh Vapes and everything that you guys do.
Oh, sometimes that thing falls and gotta give it a little knock.
Yeah. So when a troubleshooting technique for this, didn't you say you usually used to wrap it around your box so that way it didn't fall down?
With the Ganesh box, there's a little rest. You can kind of rest it right here. But be extra cautious. I just like to wrap mine around it. And then I can hold the wire.
Because as you can see, if you try to go too fast like this, then it can actually fall.
Go out and get you a G-Nail. It's a how-to video with Mac and Shak.